everyone, my name is Paul. I'm one of the instructors here at Professional Flight Center, and today we're going to show you how we properly tie down our aircraft here at our school.
Now, let me begin by showing you a poor example. As you can see here, the ropes have too much slack on them. The nose gear is also not lined up with the marker on the apron. You can also see that the tie-down ring is not lined up with the clamp on the ground. Again, this is a poor example that won't secure our aircraft from the wind. Now let's go fix it and demonstrate the proper way of tying our aircraft down. First, we make sure that the nose is lined up with the marker. Second, that the wing strut is also lined up with the clamp on the ground.
Alright, now it's lined up. You can see how much slack we have here.
Use your left hand to pull and tighten the rope. While doing that, make 2 loops to be able to do a knot. If the rope is too long, just repeat the procedure one more time below, like so.
There you go. Much better.
Don't forget to do the tail tie down as well. And lastly, before you go for a flight, please make sure to properly stow the ropes. Do not leave them like this. Instead, coil it around and insert the end of the rope like so. That's it.